We are prisms of light, and what comes into us and what light we generate out creates geometries and frequencies in which we tell the universe how we wish to experience this life. I'm Garth Wolf, and let's talk about rainbow medicine for a moment, or the fact that we are all rainbow beings. And what I mean by that is that if we look at frequency for a moment, and just follow this train of thought with me for a moment, whether this is your belief system or not, everything in the universe is just vibrations, frequencies, and intentions. And those vibrations and frequencies appear as light. And faster they vibrate, or slower they vibrate, becomes more solid they might be. Even everything around us is a light and an intelligence vibrating at a certain frequency that allows it to exist. Now, also in our lives, our actions, our thoughts, our deeds, our practices, everything that we are being and doing creates what we are having and experiencing. So what I mean by that is that the way we live our life creates a geometry. It creates vector points that create a geometrical shape in which enters into us through light, and we tell the universe that's how we want to experience it. I'll give you an example. If you wake up every day and you say, ugh, I hate my life and I don't want to go to work, or ugh, I'd rather stay in bed all day and sleep. Or if you wake up in the morning and you tell yourself that you're a piece of crap, that creates a certain vibration and creates a geometry in how the rest of your day goes, as well as like what you eat for breakfast, how you get up in the morning. You know, if you get in an argument with your spouse or with your housemate, or maybe you live by yourself and you get in an argument with your own mind because you're upset with yourself. I don't mean in a talking to yourself schizophrenic way. I mean in the way that we all have an inner voice and an inner critic that we speak to ourselves in. And we also have an inner cheerleader. So another geometry that you could have for the day is when you wake up and you're like, I'm grateful to be alive today. I'm grateful for the breath in my lungs. I'm going to get up and, you connect with some kind of, if there's another living being in the house, maybe it's a pet, maybe it's a human, maybe it's even just yourself, and you say, I love you. And then you do some breath work or some meditation, maybe some yoga, eat a good breakfast, a healthy breakfast, maybe go for a walk outside in nature. That will create a different vibration and geometry on how your day goes, as well as what you do throughout the day. If you're doing a job that you don't like and you dread being there, that's a geometry within your life. If you're living your passions and living your ideal life, that's a geometry in your life. So these geometries, what I mean by is each action and thought and word and how we show up for ourselves and show up for others create vector points in the geometry that then tells the universe how we wish to experience it. Does that make sense? If not, leave a comment down below asking questions about this. If you want me to go deeper on this topic, let me also know down in the comments down below. And for more high vibe videos like that, they should be appearing over here somewhere. All right, peace, much love, my friends. Namaste, and keep being your awesome self.